Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your RAZER Opus. And the first one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone does not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And right here at the right ear cup of your earbuds we have USB-C port, so connect the second one right here. And near to it we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also we have the second method, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable, what look like this. So connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your headset. And again we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!